In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very quick tutorial on how to change default currency in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate at the search box and type for panel. After typing, wait until you'd be able to see a best match, which is the control panel system. And once you have seen it, please navigate to the right side, okay, and click on this open to continue. The moment you have opened the control panel window, you need to change the view like this first. So navigate with view by, click on this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once set, you need to proceed to the region. In my case, it is being placed here at the third column next to Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open this window. You can now close the control panel so that you can focus on this one. So here at the region window, please find for the additional settings. Once you click on it, you'll be able to open another window which is called customize format, where here you can see their numbers, currency, time, and date. So since the goal of this video is to change the default currency, then we need to navigate to the second section there you can see currency. So here you can see that the dollar sign is my selected currency symbol. And in order to change that, click on this down arrow key and there you can see your symbol. In your case, you might have a pound symbol as well. So just have to change into euro or either pound if you have. Then click on apply and then click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. In that way, you'll be able to successfully change the default currency here in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.